Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up media share in Streamlabs. This interactive feature allows your viewers to share videos on your stream, often through tips or requests. To begin, open your Streamlabs desktop application. Next, locate the Sources section and click the plus sign to add a new source. From the available options, select the Media Share widget and then give it a descriptive name before proceeding. Once the widget is added in your desktop application, the next crucial step is to enable and configure it on the Streamlabs website. Head over to streamlabs.com and log into your dashboard. On the left side, find and click All Widgets, then select Media Share. Here, you will enable the feature and choose whether videos automatically show or hide, which is great for streamers with or without moderators. Now, let's customize your media share preferences. You can set the price per second, which defaults to 10 cents, meaning 1 second of video plays for every 10 cents tipped. Also, establish a minimum amount to share, perhaps $5, and a maximum duration for videos, like 60 seconds. Don't forget to set a buffer time between videos, such as 5 seconds, and consider spam security options. Managing incoming media is vital for a smooth stream. All submitted videos appear in your dashboard under the Recent Events tab, specifically in the Media Share section. Here, you can review pending videos, approving or denying them to ensure appropriate content. For larger communities, consider granting moderator privileges through shared access in your account settings. They can help manage the queue, allowing you to focus on your broadcast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.